Want to create jaw-dropping AI avatars that actually lip-sync your voice without paying a cent? In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Dreamina AI to build avatars that look natural, speak smoothly, and feel alive. The coolest part? It's a free alternative to popular tools like Heygen and Hedra. Now here's the catch. You'll need one simple trick to unlock its full power. Stick with me as I guide you step by step through making your avatar and syncing it with text or your own voice. And hey, if you enjoy free AI hacks, tap that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you want me to break down next. Before I show you how to use Dreamina AI, we first need to create an avatar that we'll use throughout the video. I've already prepared a prompt that I'll use on Sora to generate the avatar. So I'll copy it, open my Chrome browser, and visit sora.chatgpt.com. Once you're on the Sora website, click on the edit icon here, and it will open a workspace like this. Now paste your prompt. Good. If you want the avatar to look like you or someone else, you can upload an image of yourself or that person. If you leave it empty, Sora will generate a random avatar instead. I want mine to look like me, so I'll go ahead and upload my image. I'll click the plus sign, select Upload from Device, and choose my image. Once the image is uploaded, I'll click on Remix, and it will start generating avatars. Let's give it a moment. Perfect, the avatars are done generating. These look really nice, so I'll go ahead and download them. Now I'll open a new tab and visit dreamina.capcut.com. Here you can create things like AI images, AI videos, AI avatars, and even mimic motion. But keep in mind, this tool is not available in most regions. Especially in Africa, you won't be able to access it without a VPN. So if you cannot select options like AI video or AI avatar, let's set up a VPN to unlock them. I'll open my Play Store and search for Thunder VPN. I already have it installed on my device, so I'll launch it. If you don't have it, just install and open it. Now I'll connect to the VPN. Good, we're connected. I'll go back to my browser and refresh the Dreamina page. Now I can click on AI image and then select AI avatar. As you can see, it's available now. So I'll upload the avatar we created earlier with Sora. Once the avatar is uploaded, we need to give it a voice. You can either type a script or upload an audio file. For now, I'll type a script directly. Later, I'll show you how to create a realistic voiceover with Google AI Studio. So I'll type in what I want my character to say, and then select a voice actor by clicking on Voice. I'll preview the available options, and once I find one I like, I'll select it. Now I'll also give it a simple prompt. Make realistic hand gestures and head movement while talking. I'll leave the rest of the settings as they are and hit Generate. Good! The avatar lip sync video is now processing. Next, let me show you how to create a super realistic voiceover with Google AI Studio. I'll open a new tab, search for Google AI Studio, and click on the first result. Here, look for Native Speech Generation and click on it. Next, I'll click on this Music Like Settings icon. With this tool, you can create either multi-speaker audio or single-speaker audio.
I'll use single speaker audio for this example. Again, I'll browse through the available voices just like before and pick one that sounds natural. Personally, I like these two voices. They sound great. I'll select one of them and type in my script, basically what I want my character to say in my video. Once I'm done typing, I'll click on Run and it will generate the voiceover. Great, it's done. I'll download it and return to Dreamina AI. Now let's create another avatar video, but this time using the voiceover we just created. I'll refresh the page, upload our avatar again, but instead of typing a script, I'll click Upload Audio. From my files, I'll select the voiceover we created with Google AI Studio. Once it's uploaded, I'll give it the same prompt, make realistic hand gestures and head movement while talking. Then I'll hit Generate. Now the second video is generating, while the first one is already done. At the end of this video, I'll show you the results of both versions side by side. And that's it! That's how easy it is to create lip-sync avatars with Dreamina AI. If you have any questions or if there's a specific video you'd like me to make next, leave it in the comments. See you in the next one.
Hello guys, this is Dreamina Lip Sync Tutorial.